Good morning. DJ Stocks in the morning. Let's get going. Let's get going. Oh, there is the cowbell solo. Love me the cowbell. Can never have enough of that. Good morning. Good morning. It's Tuesday, 7/21, 2026. We be rocking here, my friends. There we go. Good morning. Get up. Get up. It's early in the morning. We still got a couple hours, 2.5 hours. No, hour and a half. Hour and a half before the stock market opens. I wanted to give you guys a report. What did we do yesterday? This will show you how the stock market works. At one point, early in the morning, I was up $14,000. But that wasn't to be. That wasn't to be. I was up 14 grand around 10 o'clock in the morning. By the end of the day, we were only up $6,300, and looking forward to today. Today, the stock futures are up bigly, at least in the NASDAQ. Let's see here. The NASDAQ is up over 400 points in futures, and the Dow is up 141 points. Gold's up 47. And silver was up a couple of bucks. Good old silver. Love me my $2.03, 59.10. 59.10 an ounce for some of that silver. So there you go. There you go. So yeah, that's where we're at. We'll be looking to make some big bucks today. Let's talk about millionaires. I was just reading an article that gave a nice recipe for becoming a millionaire. According to this article, there's 24,000 millionaires in the good old USA as of 2024, and 40% of all millionaires come from the United States of America. So their recipe was, one, start early in terms of saving. Two, reduce your expenses. Okay. Increase your income is number three. Number four is be cautious with debt. Just don't go out taking out car loans and mortgages and the way you use your credit card. Be cautious with debt. Pay that credit card off every month. That's what the smart people do. Number five, use tax-advantaged accounts. It'll help grow your pile a little bit quicker, a little bit easier. Number six, ask for help when you need it. If there's something you don't understand or you're confused by something, seek out a little bit of help. It might help get you through the tough situation. And number eight tip for becoming a millionaire is to think long term. That's what you got to do. Don't think short term, think long term. Get yourself some assets. Get your money working for you, not you working for money. I mean, you can't spend your whole life working for money. At some point, you want your money to work for you. And that's what we're here to show you how to do. Get yourself some of this. Get yourself some investments. Hey, if you want, get into real estate. Whatever tricks your trigger, it can make you money, make you revenue. Revenue streams are great. Get on YouTube. Get your own channel like the DJ here and start a revenue stream on YouTube. Why not? Weirder things have happened. where things have happened. So that's all I got for you for today. Well, keep it short. I hope you're on your way to millionaireism. Wealth-ville. We're on our way to wealth-ville. Comment down below how you're doing on your journey. Are you doing okay? When are you gonna be a millionaire? How much are you gonna make this year off your investments? Let me know. Over and out. It's DJ Stocks here with my recycled coffee and my cowbell solo. Good old cowbell solo. Over and out. Land Cruiser Midwest. Let's get saving.